Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Summoner's War Sky Arena error code 22. The error reads, "Please close any apps that might negatively affect the game and restart the game." As per our research, this error occurs when users try to launch the game, and the error has been reported on both mobile devices and emulators. Some players also have shared that they started to have this error after a patch update. According to our research, this error may be caused by an outdated game or any issues with the emulator compatibility. Before trying anything else, make sure you are using the latest version of Summoner's War Sky Arena. If an update is available, install it and check if the error still persists. If you are playing on an emulator, ensure that it is updated to the latest version. This is especially important for players using Moomoo Player. In case the error still continues and you installed the game from Google Play, try downloading it from an alternative source like the Amazon App Store. Some players have reported that switching app stores helped resolve the error, so we suggest you also try the same. If the error still occurs, try uninstalling and reinstalling Summoner's War Sky Arena. And if you are using an emulator, also consider reinstalling your emulator. During our research, many users have shared that they didn't receive the error after reinstalling the emulator, so you can also give this a try and see if the error still persists. If you are also done with reinstalling the game as well as the emulator, but the error is still not going away, then try switching to mobile data. During our research, some players get this error when launching the game on certain Wi-Fi networks, so they switch to mobile data, then start the game, and then reconnect to Wi-Fi after launching. So give this a try and see if this helps you too. If you are playing on an emulator and nothing has worked so far, try switching to a different emulator. If none of these fixes work, the issue may be related to the latest game patch or servers, in which case, waiting for a fix from the developers may be necessary. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.